Hi everyone, my name is Carmelo Jan Kai Sontiveros. I played for CBBL Karkar Intertown team. My position is shooting guard or small forward. 10 questions about me. First questions. What is my favorite food? My favorite food is adobo. Second question. What is my role model? My role model is like Carmelo Anthony because for his incredible work ethic, competitive spirit, and dominance on the court. Third question. What is my habits? My habits is playing basketball and doing TikToks. Fourth question. Who is my girlfriend? My girlfriend is Lucien Roganas. 1 year na makeup pen. Fifth questions. What is my favorite Bible verse? My favorite Bible verse is Philippians chapter 4 verse 13. I can do all things through him who gives me strength. 6 questions. What changed my game? What changed my game is skill development, mental approach, physical conditioning, and basketball IQ. 7 questions. What is my do's and don'ts? My do's is playing basketball and conditioning about my body, and my don'ts is never smoke or doing bad things because that will change my personals. 8 questions. What is my advice to other athletes? My advice to other athletes is stay committed to practice, set specific goals, embrace a growth mindset, focus on mastering fundamentals, maintain a positive attitude, and listen to your coaches and prioritize health with proper nutrition and rest. My 9th question is, what is my favorite coach and why? My favorite coach is Coach John Paul Fernandez, aka Coach GP, because he gives me a lot of confidence in playing basketball and he always advised me. Ug wala pa si Coach GP, di ko maabot sa mga dagko nga liga. Ug di po ko ma-improve tungod niya. Mga dako ng pasalamat ni Coach GP. Di tungod niya, di ko ma-improve. 10 questions or last questions. What is basketball? Basketball is a team sport in which two teams, typically consisting of 5 players, each complete to score points by shooting a ball to opposing team's hoop or basket. That's all. Thank you.